Hi, thank you for coming along with us today. We are doing some chores. It is the morning. We are off to let the chickens out, let the goats out, clean up the front half of the barn, do some goat nails, a bit of everything. And yeah, so thanks for joining us and welcome. Come along. So we're just putting the bunny litter and the food waste into the compost pile here. Then we're going to get the wheelbarrow so we can start working in the barn. To get the camera and water fell over. All the water spilled out. That's okay. They still got some water. They'll be okay. Let's release those chickens. What happened to you guys? Ugh. So we got an egg. It's a single egg today so far. They're getting less in the way of laying because it's so dark for so long. There might be another egg later tonight, but we got one. Chickens are busy eating what I just threw out there. I'm all wet from the waterers because I got bad luck with the waters today. And yeah, I'll just stick the egg in there and we'll get on to start working in the barn. So we are getting the goats their food and go let them out and kind of go from there. Alright, who wants breakfast? Who wants breakfast? There you go. Let me grab you some more hay. And just grab some hay for you guys. It's okay. Hey, babe. There you go, guys. Num nums. All right. So now it's time to get to work on the front half of the barn. We're gonna just log Harrison in there with the goats. Ha ha ha. just make the cat bed over there. I was going to fill the whole area with hay, but they tend to just sleep here and then they poop over there. So we're going to make a poop zone and a sleep zone for the cats, and then keep everything else tidy, because if there isn't hay, they're not going to poop in it. Yeah, so we're going to have the cat bed over there. It's going to be a bit spread out once we got rid of all this crap. We're going to keep the floor here all clean, and then we're going to have the food buckets here until we kind of set up a better food storage in the storage room, which needs cleaning as well. And then we're going to clean out all of that part, move the hay bales to this side, and we're going to get rid of all this garbage and tidy this part up as well. So this is next. So we are going to be working on in here and tidying this up, moving the hay over, and making that their poopy space over there. So we have the kitten section with their food, water, and bed, and then it has the food buckets here. We've got our hay bales here. We've cleaned this all out, and this is where they tend to poop. So we've got a nice big pile there for them to dig and poop in as they need to, Nina, so no weird ass other places to poop. Eventually we're gonna paint these walls as well, like we did in the front barn. Just give them a scrub down and then give them a paint, and that will really brighten it up in here. But yeah, everything's nice and tidy, so that's that chore done. Right, kittens? And we're good to move on to the next thing. The boy has flopped. Hope you're not squishing the egg.
What did you tell me there's an egg in there?
Didn't you see the egg? Still okay? Put it back in there so it doesn't roll around. Okay, so sometimes the cows get out. We've got 3 in our front yard, so we're just gonna move them down the end. Hey guys. Hey. It's moving along. Moving along. Yeehaw.
How are you doing today, little man? Hey? Let's go. No, whatever. They're nowhere near the road, so they're not hurting anything. Get more of the grasses down out in the non-fenced areas. They don't travel far from Mom. Well, how'd you get out? Saw where they went, hey? It's mostly the boys here. They're traveling farther out. We've only got another day or so, another couple of days before they get picked up and moved to another field. Just because they've pretty much eaten down everything here. Hey, so my project yesterday was just getting the trailer winterized. It's just pretty easy and pretty cheap this year. We didn't have to take it in to get it done. I could get the antifreeze myself, and I found a working small transfer pump so I could pump it into the antifreeze bypass and get it all ready for winter. So she's now ready to go. We're not going to have to worry about burst pipes or anything. We've had her in the garage for about a week just because the temperatures have dropped, and now she's ready to come out. And with the temperature drop, we're expecting snow anytime, so I got to finish up we bought a snow blade to put on the front of the tractor there, the lawn tractor, and so just allow me to kind of push some snow off the driveway and stuff. Once the snow hits, it's the snow here doesn't get particularly heavy until it starts to get wet. So if you can, and it gives you a lot of time before it gets wet. So if you can get it done right away, then it shouldn't be a problem just to push it out of the way with my little John Deere lawn tractor there. But to do that, I got to take the mowing deck off and then put on all mounting brackets and get the blade mounted on. So that's what I'm going to be working on today after I get the trailer pulled out.
Look outside my kitchen window and I see that there is a cow in with the chickens. So we're gonna figure out what's going on. Let's go open it by the door. Yeah. Come on, Moo. Yeah, it's open. No. Hey, no. That did not go how we wanted it.
No.
Well, the cow is out.
Every time we open the garage, something comes in. Nina. Hey. Meow. How you doing, Nina, barn cat? Hey. So this tiny little thing is the mother of all the kittens. And they are all carrying more weight ready for winter than you. Don't know how you're going to do in the cold. Guess we'll find out. Chores has the barn to climb in. And if we don't have any bread out on the counter, we can let her in the house. But she's a bread thief. Because we've had a fresh loaf sitting out on cooling on the countertop. And she came in the house. And within a couple of minutes, ate about a quarter of it. Yeah. Didn't help though. She's still skinny as a rat. Like she's still, a bone rack pretty much. She's actually a healthy weight for a cat, but I'm just worried about, her in the winter. So she's one of the cats that came with the farm when we bought it. Her and Rocket and and all 5 of the kittens that were probably about a week or 2 weeks when we moved in. So anyway, so I'm here. This is my workshop. It is a mess because that's that most of it is what was left. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work because I gotta get you on here. But to do that, first this deck has to come off. So get to do that now. It's all mounted. I've still got to figure out exactly how it works, but I think there's a little bit more I got to do. But it's time to go in to eat, so I will lay it off there. Hopefully this works, hey? With our snow here, hopefully that works all right. I'm all messy from dealing with the greasy bits of the engine down there as I was tinkering around and rolling around on the floor. But yeah, it's a good day of stuff that I've been meaning to get done for a while, so it's good to get that done. We're moving along, just locking up the animals for the night, getting the barn cats and the goats fed and watered for the evening, and making the chickens all secure. And yeah, we'll just get that done. I'm just walking up to the barn now. We've got a couple of more cows I gotta chase back in, and we'll go from there. I've got kittens now coming. Hey, Singy. Call her Singe because she once singed off all of her whiskers, getting a little too close to the furnace in the barn. We've since made it so she can't. But we have our nighttime routine with all the kittens. Here they all come. Yeah, the kittens are waiting. Yeah. Ready for dinner. Yeah. You. All right, so we'll get them their kibble. our basic stuff taken care of for today. Starting to lose some light. You know, it's what, 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening here, and it's cloudy, so it's getting dark real quick. And yeah, there's still some calves out that we're gonna have to try to get back in, so I'm gonna need to go get some backup to help feed them around so they're not tromping through the chicken coop again. And when we can get them just funneled back into the fields, no problem. So I'm gonna go taking care of that. So thanks for watching. You know, have any comments, suggestions, anything you like, anything else you want to see about our farm and what we're doing, feel free to message us down below. And if you like the content that you've had so far, be sure to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Okay. Anyway, I'm Adam from the Pike Homestead. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a good day.